Who would have thought that I could create a 3D head model of this girl using just a single photo? This time I used HumanOk and it's practically foolproof. After uploading her picture, the AI quickly captured all her features. Soft, wavy brown hair, clear green eyes, gentle facial contours, and that layered high-neck dress. In less than a minute, the model was generated automatically. I then tweaked the angle and some details, exported it as an STL file, and the printer was ready to go. When the finished print came out, I was completely stunned. The curves of her hair, the matte texture of her skin, the folds on the collar, every detail was insanely delicate, looking just like a piece of art. Next, I'll show some of my previous 3D models. If you want to turn your favorite characters, or even yourself, into 3D models, HumanOk is an absolute gem of a tool. If you love AI plus 3D creations, don't forget to hit like and follow. Next time, I want to try a full body model. What style would you like to see?